February 2021. So I had 4 main plans for February. First one is get back to the gym and get back to working out consistently. Second one is to stop feeling like crap and just start feeling a lot of positivity around me. Third one is to study for an exam I want to take and also complete a course I started. And finally, hit 2,000 subscribers right here on YouTube, which obviously didn't happen because here I am at 1,540 subscribers, I think. Hi, hello, and welcome to my February vlog. My name is Antwiwaa. If you are new here, if you're returning, what's up, my G? At the beginning of the year, I decided that I was going to put out a monthly vlog every single month, so that I can be able to look back after a certain period and see what kind of progress I've made over the month or the year, and also to be able to share with someone like you who may enjoy these type of videos, right? After thinking about it, I'm like, even though I really enjoy watching vlogs from some people, I realized that the kind of videos I enjoy on YouTube are the ones that are teaching me a little something. So it's going to be a fun vlog, of course, I can guarantee that. But instead of just putting together clips from my month and dishing out to you, I thought to switch things up a little more. So hear me out. So I was on YouTube the other day and I found this video from this lady called Lavender. I think her channel is called Lavender, and basically she was reviewing her month, and that is something I absolutely subscribe to. Like, it is very important that after every month you sit down, take inventory of what happened during the month, what you can do better, where you did great at, and just, you know where you're at in your journey. We're going to be using the questions from Lavender to both review our months together. First question is, describe your February in one word. I'll go first. February for me was progressive. Wait, what does progressive mean? Happening or developing gradually or in stages. Perfect. That's exactly what February was for me. Today is 16th February and this is the first entry for my February vlog. I'm just gonna give you a little summary, or just what the month has been for me so far. I just came back from the gym. I've been trying to get back my workout groove. Anyway, so I came into February with a lot of positivity. January was January was not the best of months for me. I decided that I was going to come into February with a lot of hope, a lot of determination to make my life better and just be positive and take it one day at a time. And so far, that is what February has been. I can't say I just transformed my life just like that. Next thing is rate the statement from 1 to 10, 1 being the least and 10 being the highest. This is the statement. This month, well, we're talking about February, so last month I took steps to get me closer to my dreams and my goals. So rate the statement as it applies to your life from 1 to 10. I'm slowly getting back into working out, so that definitely makes me happy. taught me how to do this. So it is some dandelion, onions, tomatoes, peppers, and then a tablespoon of peanut butter. So for me, I would rate the statement a 6 or a 7. Maybe a 6.5. Okay, a 6.5. 6.5 for some reasons. First one is I said that I was going to revive my Instagram and my business. So if you don't know, I do have a home decor business that I started, I think, late last year, and I haven't been paying so much attention to it because life. And then the second thing is that I was not able to hit 2,000 subscribers on here, which is something I don't entirely have control over. Another thing is that in February, I intentionally started putting systems and habits in place so that they would help me reach the goals I wanted to reach. So I just came back from Antwiwaa Aqua Mall, and I went to pick a perfume. This one. They gifted this to me, so thank you very much, Antwiwaa. Oh, yellow. But this is what the perfume looks like. I like the yellow bottle. Yeah, I like it. Something I could wear. And I like the bottle. The bottle is cute. It'll look good. I just really wanted to show you this monthly habit tracker that I came up with. So I have been tracking my habits. I've put up a video about it. The video will go up tomorrow, but if you're watching this, it's already been up, so you can hear my fan rotating. If you hear any, that's my fan. Yeah, so one of the things I have been doing is that I have been tracking my habits, and I've been doing it manually. And I thought, let's just design something that is very simple. And of course, you know me, I designed something that other people can use as well. So I'm going to show you what I designed that will help you track any new habits you're trying to build. So if you have any habits you're trying to build, if you're trying to check how consistent, or if you want to build your consistency around a certain habit, maybe working out, maybe reading a book, you know, any habit that you're trying to build, you would want to download my habit tracker. I would leave the link in the description box. So tap the link, it will take you to a page where you put in your email and you can download the monthly habit tracker for free. At least for now, it's free. I don't know if you can see, but it says monthly habit tracker, and then you have option to insert the day, the habit you want to track, beauty, year, and the month. Next question: what is one new thing you did in February? And this is a question that I included myself because I feel like it is very important that as we go through our daily lives, or at least for me, I believe that it's important that we try out new things, try out new hobbies, try out new activities, and just, you know, keep learning, keep growing. It helps a lot. So then the new thing that I tried out in February is Pilates. So I went to an actual Pilates studio and it was fantastic. I'm not going to insert the name of the studio here, which may seem very petty, but give me my coins. Let me, you know, put you out there, Pilates people. Anyway, so yeah, I took Pilates class and I totally loved it. This is Leslie. Say hi. What do you do here? So you show me around. I see myself. I'm here for my very first Pilates class. It's a bit exciting. Exhale, you out, round the back. Don't shift the body back. Exhale, drop the weight forward. Exhale, and lower the shoes down. Inhale, scoop, round the back, move and knee. Reach the ground, feel the stretch. Breathe in, guys, breathe out. Squeeze your legs high. Slowly lift up your lower back. Your mid back, and slowly and curl. Round the back, and the back. The next question is, how can you improve in this new month? I hope you're taking notes and you're doing this review with me, because if you're not, then I don't know. Anyway, how can I improve this new month? I could put my phone down a lot more. Yeah. What else? I'm also trying a new challenge. Oh, am I stuttering? I'm also trying a new challenge this month. So basically, I'm really challenging myself to live a certain way for the 30 days. For how many days are in March? 30 or 31 days in March. And if you watched one of my recent videos where I talked about building habits, sticking to them, and how these habits are changing my life, you kind of know what I'm talking about, right? So yeah, that is definitely something that I'm doing for March, and I think that is really going to drastically improve my life. I'll come back to you with the results, whatever it is, would know in the March vlog. So subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, another thing I could do to improve my life in March is to be very intentional and build really good, profitable, resourceful relationships for both parties. Like, if you're young and you have the opportunity to make friends, meet new people, don't let that pass you by. Okay, that's something that I low-key have regrets about, so don't let that pass you by. Talking about relationships, there's this neighbor of mine, like right here. His window or his bathroom is literally close to my window, and the things I hear every single morning. Someone in the neighboring house brushes his teeth so aggressively, like so it's just so disgusting, and I have to hear this like, I literally woke up a few minutes ago and this is what I have to put up with. Like, every single morning, every single time he brushes his teeth, this is what I hear. Goodness. Oh my god. I feel like one of these days I'll just go in there and tell him that I'm stressing my life, because
head of Takra. Madam Joanna, you have taken a system to empty and promote why?
We have this question that I think is very important that every single one of us answers. So the question is, what part of your life did you neglect in the past month? And for me, it is my spiritual life. I realized that I occupied myself with so much, like doing this, having a gratitude journal, working out, going to work, and it became so much that even though I used to pray regularly, I didn't spend as much time as I would want studying the word and worshiping and just having that communion with God. So I didn't do that. So that's definitely an aspect of my life that I neglected in February, that I think that I want to definitely work on and fix. So this is what I went to do at the salon. Just a quick I was tired of constantly having to attach a ponytail to my head every day, every morning. It was just annoying. All that gel that was going into my hair was irritating me, so I decided that I wanted a sew-in that sort of mimicked like an actual ponytail. Funny story is, I went to the salon and the lady was booked and busy. I'm happy for her, but that meant that I would not be able to get this hair done. So guess what I did? No, come on, guess. So yeah, I had to get her to wash my hair. I was really in the mood to be pampered today. Unfortunately, that didn't happen, but I got her to wash my hair, and then I sat down in the salon in front of the mirror and braided the corner and sewed in my weave. Everybody was like, what is going on? I have like a quick meeting, and if that turns out great, I will be so excited, and I cannot wait to tell you all about it. To believe that the workout that I'm doing is shrinking my face, but let me not get ahead of myself. But let me put on some earrings. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've put on my earrings. I have this very strong urge to put on some eyelashes, just, you know, make myself look a little cuter, you know. But yeah, it's not that deep. It's just like a quick meeting. I'm in and out, and like, you see what I mean? You see the difference it makes? Yep, that's what I mean. Popped on some lashes and I don't know how to act. Anyway, I'm just gonna go now, and I don't think I'm ready to show you who I'm meeting, but I cannot wait to show you if it goes as planned. I mean, everything according to God's will, so fingers crossed. If it's the will of God, it's gonna happen, and I cannot wait to show you. So these are the questions to consider for March. Number 1, fill in the blank. March will be ... So for me, March will be victorious. March will be full of opportunities, and opportunities that come with exciting wins. And March will be full of fantastic growth for myself and the people around me. So happy new month, and I wish you every single thing you wish for yourself this month. Peace out.